Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you will be mastering how to control your EcoVacs DEEBOT N20 Pro vacuum cleaner robot. So if you have been following my YouTube series, you will remember first we unboxed the EcoVacs DEEBOT N20 Pro and explored its sleek design and features. If you have not watched it yet, I will attach above as well as in the description. You can go through and watch it out. Also, in the second video, we tackled the initial setup and mapped our home, making our vacuum cleaner smart and efficient in cleaning our home. Now, in this third installment, we are diving into EcoVacs Home app to learn how to control your DEEBOT N20 Pro like a pro. So let's get those flows spotless, one app tap at a time. Ready? So let's jump in.
So there are three types of cleanings for us, which is auto cleaning first one, and second one room, third one is zone.
Okay.
So auto cleaning is nothing but sir, it will cover entire area or entire rooms.
Entire map.
Yeah, entire map. And then sir, coming to rooms, particularly you want to clean a room, so you can able to select.
Okay.
And you can able to select multiple rooms as per our requirement of cleaning. Then sir, it is zone cleaning. Zone cleaning is nothing but the DEEBOT it will give a box, so you can able to adjust and place anywhere, so that it will go to that place and it will start doing cleaning.
Clean the area.
And at a time sir, we can able to add multiple zones, like 5 zones we can able to add. At 5 places it will go and do the cleaning. And next, so swiping to up little bit higher, so that we can able to see the suction power. For regular cleaning sir, standard is fine. And if you want to clean some more, so that you can able to go for strong. But everyday standard is absolutely fine.
Okay.
And max is sir like high suction, like we won't require that much of suction, and also the charging consumption will be higher in that place.
Right.
And it is a quiet mode. So when we have attached the mopping and we don't require cleaning, only mopping is required. At the time sir, you can able to keep on quiet mode, so that suction speed will be decreased. So you won't get proper cleaning, rather than you can
When we attach that mopping pad, it will do cleaning and mopping both?
Yes sir.
Or only mopping?
It will do both, but we have to select any of these three modes. If you select this, it won't do cleaning.
Okay.
Because
only mopping.
You want only mopping at the time, you can able to use this. Otherwise, if you want to use both, then you can able to use these options.
Okay.
And it is water level. So when we are attached to that mopping plate, so you can able to adjust these water levels, like low, medium, high. How much water is need to be do cleaning. And next sir, it is vibrating frequency. So how much vibration frequency you needed.
Okay.
So it is like low and standard. So high frequency like low frequency, we can able to understand.
Speed.
And next sir, yes, the vibrating speed.
Pass, right?
It is vibrate, right? So it is the frequency. How much speed it needs to be vibrate while doing mopping. And pause is nothing but sir, once is nothing but it will cover the area or room or house entirely once.
Okay.
Twice is nothing but sir, these three area, rooms, zone. So these three things will cover under 2 times.
Okay.
So it will do 2 times. If you want 2 times,
So each area will be 2 times.
Yeah, exactly.
2 times.
If you are selecting a room and if you have selected 2 pass, then that area will be cleaned 2 times
Twice.
at that particular time of cleaning initiation. And if you have clicked on auto, then if you have selected 2, entire house will be cleaned 2 times at a period of time you have given.
Okay, understood.
And next, coming to settings, so here's a cleaning log will be there. So how much area we have been done cleaning and how many times we have done cleaning, at what time it has taken to complete this entire map. You can able to get it for every cleaning to cleaning. Next sir, it is schedule cleaning. So you can able to make schedules, add.
At what time?
Time you can able to add, and after that sir, we need to click on repeat. So if you want daily cleaning, then you have to go for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, Friday, so that everyday cleaning will be initiated at the particular time you are going to give. So in this sir, there are 2 types of modes, which is auto and another one is area. So auto is nothing but sir, entire house will do schedule at once.
Right.
Rooms is not, area is nothing but you can able to schedule particularly
Which
1
room?
room or 2 rooms or 3 rooms, whatever it may be, you can able to make schedule.
And we can
or simply you can able to schedule multiple times. So if I want to this room is 10 a.m. this room
Multiple
will be 12,
schedules.
Yes, exactly. 12 a.m. or 13 whatever it may be. So you can able to select according to the time and also the room and also auto and area. As many times we want. Sorry. And next sir, it is the cleaning sequence. So you can able to adjust the sequence so that the DEEBOT will start from the place and end from this location.
Okay.
Like let's say if I want to the DEEBOT start from this place, so I can
So
able to
this
select
will
one.
apply on auto mode or?
Yes, auto. Every mode. Like auto mode. Particularly if you are going to select in rooms, at the time what you have selected the first, it will go to the first place. Particularly this mode will be affected under auto.
In auto mode, yeah. What sequence do I want?
Yes, exactly. and next.
Discard.
So sir, here it is intelligent settings. So there is option called suction booster carpet. So whenever it is moving onto the carpet, sir, so that it will increase its suction and start doing cleaning the carpets, like increase its suction and also start pick up the dust and also hair from the carpets. But the carpets needs to be sticky enough so that it can able to glide on them easily and come back from the place easily. And carpets maximum thickness will be sir 1 inch. So that much it can able to glide easily. And upon the carpets there will be no strands like any hair type of structure of fabrics will not be there, so that it will automatically enter the place easily. And as I said, it should be sticky enough, like anti-skid property should be there for the carpets.
Okay.
And whenever you have attached the mopping, sir, at the time it won't enter into the carpet zone area.
Okay.
Yeah, whenever it is detected, right, at the time. Next, sir, it is more settings. So coming to here, it is auto resume option will be there. So it is nothing but, so whenever the DEEBOT is cleaning, if let's say the DEEBOT has out of charging at some point, this room or this room, whatever it may be. So after that, whenever it is ran out of charging, right, it will come back to the charging place. After completing that, it will go back to the same place and redo the cleaning.
Resume
The yes, exactly. That's how the cleaning auto cleaning resume will be there. So we have to enable it. And do not disturb. Let's say, sir, the auto resume is going to happen or schedule going to happen at night 12 or 1 at that time. So we can able to add enable the do not disturb mode. So in the do not disturb mode, what is the time you are going to adjust? Particularly at that time, any automatic commands are there like auto resume or auto schedules. So those things won't work, particularly in the time which you are going to set.
Okay, got it. So within this time,
yeah, we can able to adjust the time. Next, is child lock. So we can't able to use those buttons if we enable this.
Okay.
So basically, sir, these are the app settings, and then there will be a maintenance. So maintenance in this side brush, main brush, filter, and also wash mode. So everything life will be, we can able to see from here. So side brush life is 150 hours, and then 300, 120 and 150 hours. So according to according to our hours of usage, the life will be consumed. Once the remaining goes to 0 or the workload goes to 150, we need to replace the accessories, and then click on replace and then confirm it. So that the settings will be again resetted. And if we are going to place new one, right, it will start like gathering the data or start calculating the health of the new one.
Got it.
So basically these four things we need to replace them. And other components is nothing but, sir, as I mentioned you right earlier, we need to clean the sensors and also the brushes. We have to check the wheels and also the every part of the robot we have to check, right. Once in a 30 hours it will give indication for us to clean it. But let's say if you are going to let's say the area is going to complete in a period of one hour. So if we have to consume 30 hours, then it will be around 30 days, 1 hour per day, like 30 days. So that is will be very higher, like larger time. So at least we need to clean once in a week, so it will be perfect, like the sensors sensitivity will be proper. And at least we need to clean once in a week. So these how the maintenance will be there.
And what will be the charges of these replacements?
So basically, sir, these come in box. This will be a mopping kit, which means only 3 pack of mops will be there. It called as mopping kit. These 3, this is in 2 numbers, it is in 1 number, and it is in 3 numbers. These 3 is called as accessories kit. Upon accessories kit, sir, we have 500 rupees of discount. Upon mopping kit, we have 500 rupees of discount. And if you combine both, if you take it as a combo, so then you will be able to get 1500 rupees of discount. And then the cost of these as a combo is 3980. The original price is 5480. After discount, the price is 3980. Currently, we are offering in Dasara and Diwali sale. So if you are willing to purchase, also you can able to.
How usually these offers go on? Only on festivals, like
coming to the sales period, the offer will go and comes.
But throughout the year, there won't be much offer. Right?
Yeah, sometimes because of offer, sometimes the price will be vary. And then, sir, basically we have seen these are called as app settings. Then the middle one is called, right, sir, it is map settings. So we can able to edit map from here. So first one is virtual boundary. So virtual boundary is nothing but, sir, we can able to add a virtual boundaries, like if this room is full of water, some water is there. So if I want to avoid this area temporarily or permanently, I can able to add virtual boundary here, so that the DEEBOT won't enter into that place. So in this virtual boundary, sir, we have 2 types of options, which is linear and also the rectangle. So linear is nothing but if you want to close an entry of any room, so that, sir, I can able to add this
Okay, anywhere.
Yeah, the line at the entry. So if I want to close this entry, so that the ash color line is there, right, sir? It is the wall. It is another wall. So if I draw a line in between, so that the entry will be blocked.
Okay.
So whenever the DEEBOT will go to the place, right? So it will detect the line. It will go back, come back from the place. So for blocking entries, we need to use this line, and then rectangle for blocking areas. So if I want to block an area, so I don't want the DEEBOT to enter into this place or that place,
Right.
so that I can able to mark this as no entry zone. So particularly in this area, sir, the DEEBOT won't enter. And there will be another option will be there, which is called mops, no mop zone. No mopping zone is nothing but when we have attached the mopping, right, sir? Particularly only for the mopping time, the DEEBOT won't enter into that place.
Okay.
Only for the mopping time. The no entry, which means every time.
Every time. Okay.
Yeah.
No entry means this is for both.
Yeah, both.
Mopping entry. Yeah.
Next are rooms. So I can able to add this room as a living room, or it may be dining room, whatever it may be. So it room as bedroom, something that we can able to confirm those, so that it will display that it is in living. It is living room.
Right.
Next, sir, it is divide and combine. So divide combine is nothing but if the DEEBOT is showing two rooms as one room. Let's say it is dining room and it is living room. So if it is showing as one room. So if I want to divide these two rooms, then I can able to use this divide option.
Divider.
Click on divide. So you can able to adjust the angle from here. So if I want to divide from here, so I can able to click on divide. So that it will be divided to two halves.
Right.
And combine is quite opposite to the divide.
Correct.
So if the DEEBOT is showing one room as two rooms, at the time, sir, we can able to combine those areas. So if you want to see these two rooms as one room, then I can able to combine it, right? So that's how we can able to make. And then, so now you can able to see here. So it is as one room, but it is showing as two.
Right.
I can able to combine this.
Right.
And same from here, combine. And now you can able to see the DEEBOT is showing this part of room in this area.
Right.
So if I want to divide this, I can able to click on divide from here, and I can adjust this and click on right, so that the area will be divided, and
This
then
two will be.
then combine, click on combine, so that it will be combined. So that's how you can able to adjust the areas.
Right.
So if you want to combine these two rooms also, you can able to combine. If you want to see as one. So basically, sir, it is the map editings. So if you feel that the map is not proper, or map had any issues, or map it is not following properly, and if you want to delete the map, then you can able to delete from here. And if the map is proper, and you will keep it as a backup, and whenever it is if it is not displaying something, we can able to restore the map.
And when I want to add additional map.
Yes, sir, additional map, you have to place the DEEBOT in
Another
upstairs or downstairs, and click on here, map your home, so that it will start doing mapping at that particular place,
and then
you
map
can able to
two
get
will
another map 2. So you can able to save up to 3 maps.
Okay.
So 3 maps you can able to adjust in this area and this robot. So basically, sir, these are the settings currently we have in the map settings and also the app settings. So that it basically, sir, it will just you get this type of layout, color, name, sequence. So like this you can able to adjust.
Got it.
So basically, sir, it will the app will show like this. Then we have to enter, and then we can able to use these options which is available in the application.
Okay.
So these are the things which is there in the application. So do you have any kind of doubts or any questions in this application, as we have explored now?
Yeah, no, I don't have any doubts. I got it already. Thank you.
Yeah. And any questions? Do you
Yeah,
want
so
to ask?
like cleaning and this one, once I start this, it will start in
it-
auto mode.
Basically, sir, it is a shortcut buttons. It is auto mode exactly.
And this is the charge.
Recharge. It is currently it is in charging, right?
Okay, even if somewhere I click this, it will
Yes,
come.
it will come. Basically, these are shortcut buttons. Even though if you are not going to click on enter, you can able to operate from the main screen.
So if let's say I want to clean this particular room,
It will. You have to select and start. It will go to the place.
start.
Yeah,
So this
it
will only do cleaning, not
if
mopping.
we attach this by filling this water, so then it will do mopping plus cleaning.
Okay, and if it does not have water, then
It does not. It will work, sir. But mopping is used to do right with the water. only,
so
right?
I need to ensure that water is there.
Yes,
It
yes.
it won't show any indication that water is not
no,
there.
sir, no.
Okay.
The water we have to check whether it is not there or not. I think this tank will be sufficient to this room. And if you feel
Or this area.
yeah, this area.
Okay.
If you feel Light is not sufficient. After let's say your area is going to be having the 1000 square feet solar, let's say, and after completing 500 square feet, just try to pause the.
How much area it will cover? Like at normal.
At normal side, it will cover up to 1000.
1000.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's fill with the water. Let's try that once also.
Mopping, right, sir?
So then we have to remove this. Now
This will automatically attach to it, right? Or I need to attach it?
Yeah, while we are doing, we are moving, just try to attach it. It already did that, but try to do reverse. Start doing.
Okay, so
Select any of the area and start.
I'll select this room to
Start.
start.
Got it.
Water flow rate is high, suction power standard, vibration standard.
So you can adjust the model frequency. So like that is going fast, right? If you are not doing it, so you can see that water is dispersing.
Okay, right. So how much is the failure rate for these, like, since you usually go, right? So
Yeah.
how many users complain, like how many percentage of the
So
users?
currently, sir, it is recently launched, right? Currently, we are getting good reviews. As of now, we don't have any issues.
For
we have
Wi-Fi
faced.
connectivity issues, there are people facing that issue.
Yeah, Wi-Fi connectivity, sir, maximum people are having two separate networks, so it will all causing issue even though it is a Wi-Fi. Yeah.